You could be found guilty of the offense and sent to the state jail prison for between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand? Good morning, you're Marie Lopez.
Yes.
And Ms. Lopez, for you, and then cause number 24 DCCR 0886, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
Oh, no, but I have talked to her.
Who'd you talk to?
Told me birthday, Corey Crunch on Chicken Lane.
Are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
For August.
So where are you on being able to maybe get someone hired?
I think I can be enough for it.
So thank you for doing what I asked. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. It's important you fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. You step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Calvin Smith. Good morning, you're Calvin Smith.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Smith, you've got 2 cases. You were going to try to hire a lawyer. Did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
James McCain, Carl Parker, and Benjamin Jefferson.
Okay, and where are you on being able to get one of them hired?
I don't work nowhere, so it's gonna be hard for me.
Aren't you working?
It's my mom, she works all day, and I don't have a car. That's my dream. I try to put out applications, but no one hires me.
How do you make these bonds? Did your mom?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
And does she not have the money to help you get an attorney?
No, ma'am.
I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out completely, accurately, because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct. And then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork. David Calderon. David Calderon. Yeah, I see that. Did he say how late? Oh, so someone wants it provided. Okay. Right. Good morning. Are you David Calderon? And Mr. Calderon, did you get a lawyer hired?
I've been able to get a lawyer hired. I have one that I haven't.
Stand up.
Yes, ma'am. I have one that I have in mind. But he's been really, really busy. He said, listen, he says, you're going to have to get back at me later.
Who?
So you can just give me, Eric Clay.
Where's he?
He's in Houston, but he said that he may be able to work with me here in Beaumont.
So it's like this is your second court. Did you talk to anybody else?
Yes, I talked to several. I talked also to Brian Coyne out of Houston because I've dealt with him before. He said he can't work with me here in Beaumont. And I've been trying to get in contact with Mr. West. I've had a hard time getting in contact with him. And to be real honest with you, right now, my living situation, we're in a foreclosure right now, where I'm living at. So we're all struggling over it right now. But if you can just bear with me, man, I'm working on it. If not, I may end up having to get a court-appointed attorney.
Are you working?
So, no, I'm not working right now. I was working with Boone Valley Nurseries. I can show that on my phone when I clock in. I'm no longer working with them.
Why not?
Due to a transportation issue.
Do you not have a vehicle?
I don't.
You don't?
No, ma'am.
Where do you live?
I'm living in Spring right now.
All right, so I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork. Yes, sir. Javon Johnson? Are you Javon Johnson? Ms. Johnson, are you wearing sweatpants today?
Only because the medical thing that you had to give me more time on, I'm swole. So like my pants just like no fit. That's the only reason.
Gotcha.
I
Okay.
promise.
That's okay. Thank you. And so I know there was an issue. It looks like I'm trying to remind myself, but where are you on being able to get someone hired?
Yes, ma'am. I have Mr. Langstrom. We were supposed to meet Friday, but because of his schedule and about the person couldn't meet for me to finally sign the retainers.
Okay.
But we're meeting this weekend, Wednesday at 4.
Okay. So, and you'll have him hired this
Yeah.
Wednesday?
I just table me to sign.
All right. So what I'll do, Ms. Johnson, is just reset your case 1 week. But if you get that taken care of Wednesday, he should send something in
Yeah, he said.
to take care of that court date. But if you don't hear otherwise, be here next week just in case, unless he tells you, okay? Step in front of the clerk. Miracle Oville. Good morning, you're Miracle Oville. And Miss Oville, were you able to get someone hired?
No, but I did talk to some people. The most promising person I talked to was Kyle Walker.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to hear the other good people, I talked to Eric Franklin
Mm-hmm.
over there, and I also spoke with James Makins.
Okay, so when do you think you might be able to get someone hired?
They're considering the retainer fee. It's kind of a lot, so based on how much I make and the expenses, that will take some time, more than 60 days. Or it's going to do retainer fees on 10K. There's no initial, so like how some lawyers have their, initial upfront costs
Yeah.
and stuff like that. They don't have that.
Okay, you might want to keep trying because I know there are some that do. So I appreciate that you did what I asked you. I'm going to give you one more reset just to see, call at least 3 others. You'll see there's or even more. Call as many as you can. See if there's someone you can afford. If so, great. If not, give me those names and then we'll discuss your options.
I'm still waiting on, I called Morgan though.
Okay.
I'm still waiting on Donovan Jones to get back to me.
Who, I'm sorry?
Donovan Jones.
Oh, okay.
Dunham.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Well, thank you for doing what I asked. Just talk to a few more, see what you can do before the next court date, and then we'll see where you get, okay?
Okay.
Thanks. Step in front of the clerk. Robert Simon?
Judge Christy Johnson is in the box. She was called over there.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, you're Robert Simon. Mr. Simon, were you able to get someone hired?
I'm working on the order. It was helping around Kimber, but I am working now.
Okay, good.
Yeah, just to verify that. You can call and verify it. Yeah,
Where are you working?
CNS free service.
Say it again.
CNS free service.
Okay,
Got his caller, got his number.
good, that's good. Now, thank you for doing that. And so do you think you're gonna be able to save up and get an attorney now?
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. That. The thing is, like Ralph, he works for $2,000. I do.
Right.
You know, I mean,
How much are you making? What's your,
right now, it's by the job.
okay.
So, I mean, I don't.
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork, Mr. Simon, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely, because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk. Brad Thibodeau? Good morning, you're Brad Thibodeau? And Mr. Thibodeau, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am. I haven't even got a job yet, just don't have that transportation,
You just got what, I'm sorry?
transportation.
Okay,
It's gonna be,
you did. And, did you at least call some attorneys and, or,
no, ma'am, I thought you wanted me to get a job first.
well, I probably told you that, but I probably also told you that in the meantime, go ahead and call attorneys so you at least know how much they charge and things like that. So you're prepared when you get employment or some money to get someone hired, right?
Yes, ma'am. Give me a little more time. I have a job and so.
Where have you been? You were supposed to bring me proof of applying for jobs. Where have you been looking for jobs?
Got Lenny and the torque. I just got a vehicle going. So I'm planning on going to, I don't know what vehicle, bike repairs.
Okay. Have you done that in the past?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you talked to them?
Vehicle, yes. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get it.
When?
Hopefully this week.
I'm going to reset your case 2 weeks. You need to do what I asked you to, because if you don't, you're going to end up going to jail in 2 weeks.
Okay.
I appreciate that you got a vehicle, but that wasn't one of my court orders. My court orders was apply to at least 5 jobs a week.
Yes.
It was to talk to some attorneys. And so you need to at least bring me proof of a job, or that you are trying to get a job, and that you've talked to some attorneys
Okay.
in 2 weeks. Step in front of the clerk. Okay. See, Judge Walker on David Biano.
It should be, it's both stuff this morning.
Okay, I'll hold it. Mr. Bradford, you have Marquise Berry.
Yes, ma'am. I need the media. I haven't got the media yet. Was Barry?
Good morning, you're Marquise Berry. And this is 25 DCCR 0882. Miss Berry is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And what is the announcement?
Judge, I need one more reset. I've got the paper discovery. I have visited with Miss Barry on the phone, but I need to get the media. I've put in the media request, but I just haven't received it yet.
Okay. All right, and if you'll check on that, Mr. Nicholas, if you don't mind, see where that is in the process, and we'll reset it so you can get that and get an announcement the next court date. Stay in touch with Mr. Radford so that when he does get that information, you can go in and visit with him and see all of that before that next court date.
Thank you, Judge.
Free to go. See, Mr. Price, on Dale Johnson, 3 cases. Okay. Okay, let me.
Judge.
Good morning, you're Dale Johnson. And Ms. Johnson's 3 cases are set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. What is the announcement?
The announcement is not ready, Judge. The defense was notified late last week by the state that the state's come into possession of some video files that relate to our complaining witnesses. As of now, the defense has not had access to these videos. I understand that they may be Brady materials, and in order to provide effective assistance, we need time to analyze these videos, Judge.
And if I may, Your Honor, they were unexpected. They were delivered to our investigator.
Go ahead.
Who has been working to download them, and so that we can make them available both to Mr. Price and also to me. I don't know what the contents are.
And where did they come from? I'm sorry.
From the mother of the complaining witnesses. And so I don't know if there's Brady material there.
Yeah.
I don't know what's there, but out of an abundance of caution, I notified Attorney Price, and we need to take care of that.
Okay. Obviously, I'm gonna let you guys do that. But if you'll let the family know, let everybody know, this is the final reset. Whatever comes up. These cases are some of the oldest on the docket, and they're going to go to trial the next time it's set. All right.
Sure.
Everybody needs to be prepared. But I'll give y'all some time to get that taken care of, and so that you can go over it with your client, and then we'll see you back at the next trial date.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. You're free to
Thank
go.
you, Judge.
Okay, thanks. It's kind of, that's why we have so few on that one, because I think I especially, oh well. Mr. Macon,
Yes, sir.
you have Juan Martinez Rodriguez. It's a sentencing.
We had something to
Good morning. Let's get, we need to get a, probably a court interpreter to go through all of this.
Okay.
I know we've used that, but I think for the plea, we used someone else, correct?
I don't.
We brought someone down here. You've come and tested and helped us interpret several times, but when we took the plea, actually last time we had someone else come help us, correct? Someone else came and did it. I don't. Can you see if Jennifer's available, please? Just because of the legal terminology on this one.
It was my brother, so when that came last night.
Okay, I just want to make sure we've got all the legal terminology down that I need to go over. If y'all will have a seat, I'm going to get someone that can come interpret that works for the court, okay?
Yes.
Thanks. And then you have Fernando Flores, Mr. Makins, is sentencing also.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning. You're Fernando Flores. And Mr. Flores, you were previously in court in cause number 25 DCCR 1231, entered a plea of guilty to abandoning or endangering a child. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, sure. Yes, sir.
Any additions or corrections?
No, Your Honor, not from the state.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney, defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay that $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, this is an excellent opportunity because you do not have a felony conviction on your record. And at the end of the probation period, if you successfully complete it, the case will actually be dismissed and you'll never have a conviction. The other side of that, however, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court. You could be found guilty of the offense and sent to the state jail prison for between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you have waived your right to appeal. If you'll just have a seat here in the courtroom, probation's going to call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork. All right, good luck to you, sir.
If I could find finish.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Holmes, you have Carisha Mays. Is she coming down? Is Ms. Malfino coming down? What about Daryl Sneed? Are you ready on that sentence?
Yes, I don't believe he's here yet.
Daryl Sneed.
He didn't appear at his PS.
I'll take care of it next. Thank you.
He didn't appear at his PSI.
There's a warrant because of that. I issued a warrant last week. So if I've already done the warrant now, it's not a good office. Okay, so I still. But I do a forfeiture for him not showing up, even though there's already a warrant. I don't. All right, there was already a warrant issued for his arrest because he did not show up for the pre-sentence report. So we'll see if we can get him into custody and go from there.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Steve,
That's okay. Whatever y'all tell me to do on those. Mr. Macon on Juan Martinez Rodriguez. Good morning, ma'am. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that you will truthfully and accurately translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes.
Thank you. And, sir, are you Juan Martinez Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, already. Good. Yes.
And Mr. Rodriguez was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to theft of property.
Yes.
I've received the pre-sentence report and reviewed it. Have you both had an opportunity to review it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Nichols?
Oh, no, I have, Your Honor, sorry.
Are there any additions or corrections?
No, Your Honor.
Not by the state judge.
All right, sir. I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings for a period of 5 years. You're ordered to pay the $500 fine and follow all of the rules